Hey, this is Dave coming at you again from beautiful Vermont. This is another video, number 5, on the new Blog Beast. Because there's so many cool things about it. And it's so different than the old crappy WordPress blog that I just thought, as I learn new things and figure out how to do certain things, that I would just do a video and show you. So that's what I'm doing. So today's video is going to be about images. And pictures and your signature, because I know a lot of people are having trouble. Because if you go log into your back office, if you want to do a blog, first of all, it's very, very simple. This is your text, this is audio, this is an image, and this is video. So if you want to do a video blog, you click that, but then it's like next to impossible to add an image. So if you want to go through your existing blogs, and if you want to add signatures and such like that, the best thing to do is the first thing is to go right here where it says sort and say view my own posts. So you only see your own stuff. All right, that's a good start. Now, if you click here to do a video, and if you add a video, which is just so freaking easy, it's unbelievable. You just go to a video that you have, you copy the URL, don't get any crazy embed code or anything like that, and simply paste it right here, and then click add video, and boom, you get a video. I know, right? It's pretty cool. Now, I noticed that when you do that, right now you see that there's no link button for an image. You can bold it, italicize it, underline it. You can put it to the left, to the middle, or to the right. You can do the indentations, bulleted list or a numerical list, or you can add a link. But there's no button here for an image. Well, let me tell you something. After you build your blog and you're done messing with it and you throw in some text in here and you've created it, and when you go to save it and publish it, you can immediately go back in, click edit, because that is an option that you have, and you can add images. You can add anything you want. And it is pretty easy, because the neat thing about it is when you click image, here, let me get out of this one first. Let me close that, say cancel. You can't edit two at the same time, which is why I didn't do anything when I did that. So I'm going to go edit. You can only edit one at a time. And if you go down here and if you look, this is the existing one that I already have a picture. But the reason I'm showing you this is after you publish it, and if you click edit, look what happens. All of a sudden, you now have a link for a picture. Add media. That's right. And you can go there and you can upload from your computer. This is kind of sketchy, and I think the best way is to only do it inside of Firefox. For some reason, this new blog system, ENV right now anyway, doesn't really like Chrome, which is kind of strange. So if you want to upload an image from your computer, I suggest you do it in Firefox. This is Chrome. You can, in fact, get it from your browser, but if you click it too many times, you can see what I did. I took that image and I posted it like 12 times, but at least it's up there now, and I know. So you can select from a gallery. You can just click an image that you already have. Here's an image that I did the other night when I went out and have some sushi. And again, I clicked up add image about 6 times because it didn't seem to be working. When I went in Firefox, they were all there. I was like, oh, whatever. Anyway, so you can do this, but don't do it inside of Chrome. But there's an easier way to do it. And this is why I wanted to do this video. So you have a bunch of text, and if you want to do a image, as I said, this button does show up. Let me cancel out of here, and let me edit a blog that has no images, or an older image. Well, this one only has one image, and this has nothing. So this is perfect. Let's do this one here. So now, of course, when you image, you have to scroll all the way back to the top because that's where your new edited thing is. And as I said, after it's published and you click edit, you've got a button right here. But this is the best way to do it. open another window with your blog, same blog, and drag it next to the one that you want to edit. Find the text and or picture that you want to copy. Here's an example, okay? So I'm going to highlight all this, and I'm going to do Command C or Control C on a PC. And go over here, and don't mess with the picture thingy. Simply paste it. Right mouse click and paste. And it's going to open up this little window, and it says, because it has security, blah, 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 do paste again inside this little window. So I'm going to do Command V, or you can do Control V, or you can just paste it inside of here and click OK. And lo and behold, all of your, watch my words, watch my lips, all your text is there. But what's missing? It's the picture. So go back to here, click on the picture, and drag the picture underneath where you want it. See this plus sign? And let go. And there's your picture. So now you have your picture and you have your signature. So now the work begins. What you have to do is highlight all the stuff that you want bold, because it's not going to come over like it was, unfortunately, at least right now. This particular link here is an email, so I'm going to click on the link, not the image. I'm going to paste in, but in front of it, because it's email, I'm going to type in mail to : and then paste the email address. I didn't paste it very well, did it? No, it didn't. Let's do that. I'm going to hit thing, and I'm going to type in mail to : and then paste the email address, open another window, click OK, and there you go. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go link and type in a link, join DaveDoobie.com, open a new window. And again, you don't have to type in http://www, because if you type in the http/, it takes it out anyway, because all it wants is the URL itself. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So again, here's another one. This is the Facebook link. So I'm going to copy the whole thing, and I'll watch and you'll see exactly what I mean. I'm going to paste the whole thing in there, and what it does, it takes out the HTTP automatically. Pretty cool, right? And then I'm going to go over here for my Twitter link, and again, click on link. URL is twitterdoobie.com. Click OK. And then I'm going to bold this. I'm going to bold that. And I'm going to bold this. And I'm going to bold that. And now I have it copied.